Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you about a Bluetooth amplifier unit with the help of which you can able to play larger size speakers. So this Bluetooth unit have a capacity of 50 into 2, that is 100 watt output. So here is the kit. First of all I will assemble all the unit. So you can see I am assembling all the unit and place the heat sink on the top of the IC because the IC will get heater. So after that, by fixing the top part, the unit is complete. So you can see it here, the unit is complete. It is quite compact, and you can see here there is 2 point of speaker of 50 watt each. So input voltage is 8 volt to 24 volt input. So you will get it around 450 to 500 rupees from Flipkart or Amazon. So now connect all the wires. After that, now I will start playing it.